Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to make your birthday private in Gmail. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Right, so the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Gmail app. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my Gmail app. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the top side corner. Then proceed to your Google account. Then proceed to personal info. Then simply scroll down right here and go to birthday. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply switch to only you. Then you have to simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on save. Your birthday has been updated. As simple as that. By the time you refresh, you can see this info is private, only you can see it. As simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply private or make your date of birth private in Gmail. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.